On the Greek island of Zakynthos, we bought a modest, forgotten, but beautiful little villa.
We're not professionals. We're learning everything as we go, one project at a time.
Sharing all the highs as well as the lows.
But this isn't just about a house renovation.
It's about life on a Greek island, the beauty, the challenges, and the reality behind the dream.
You'll see the house transform, our skills grow, and our life change step by step.
If you love honest projects, meaningful progress, and learning the hard way, you'll fit right in here.
This is Saving Sweet William. Subscribe to follow the journey.